What's up, you guys? It's your girl Tamara GI, and I am back with another video. Today we're going to be installing this unit by WowAfrican. So if you guys want to know how I got this look, stay tuned. Okay, you guys, let's get started with this install. So this is how the box looked. This is the card, and this is how the wig looked inside the, well, that's the bag. And I just hot combed it on the wig head a little bit before I put it on my head. So now you guys see it on my head. I did go ahead and I added a little bit of makeup on there, and I'm going to show you guys what makeup I used. I put it on the inside of the wig before. I already put it on my head, but you guys are going to see me adding a little bit of it on the edges, like the perimeter. So this is the RK by Kiss. I don't know if it's foundation or concealer. I'm not really sure which one it is. But I use the number 12 and the number 14. And I use the lightest colors on both ones. Kind of mix it together to try to give me the look I'm looking for. And I used to just use 14, but I found 12 and they both work really good for me. So now what I'm doing is I'm just adding my Nurabe foam on my head. And you know, I just like using the foam to get my hair to lay down, especially when I'm using straight hair. Like if I was to straighten some hair that was textured, I really wouldn't use the foam for this, but for straight hair I always like using the foam for that. So now what I'm doing is I'm just going ahead and I'm cutting off the lace first, because we are using a glueless method today. So I like to cut the lace off first when I'm doing the glueless, so everything won't look messy and everything will just look put together. Okay guys, so today we're using the Bold Hold Liquid Gold. I will put the link for this down below, because I think you can only get it off of their website. But let me tell you guys, I really love this product. Like, this product is so easy to use. It's already clear, so you don't have to worry about no white gel like turning clear before you lay your lace down. And I didn't even dry it all the way till it got like wet, like till it got really tacky. I just dried it a little bit and then laid each section and then continued to blow dry afterward. But this stuff really works, and it really holds, and it comes off easily. So you guys, for the people who are trying to find an alternative for lace glue that wear wigs, often change their wigs out like almost every other day. Like for me, I love changing my wigs and stuff, and then using wig glue is just so much, because I have to take off the wig glue and then I have to clean my area, all that stuff. So this is way easy. It really comes off with just water, and it's just so amazing. I'm so glad I purchased this. So you guys are going to see me talk about it a little bit more, but you guys see what I'm doing. I'm just putting it on the perimeter of my hair, and I'm doing it by sections. And as you guys can see, this is not really messy at all, and it's so easy to use. I would recommend the Bold Hold Liquid Gold for beginners doing a wig, because this is such a hassle-free product, and I'm so glad I got my hands on it. Also, you guys, another thing about the Bold Hold Liquid Gold, I also did my wig cap with this. Normally I would use the lace glue to do my wig cap, and I was able to do my wig cap with this, no lifting, no anything. So yeah, go get it. Go get the Bold Hold Liquid Gold. Okay, so now what I'm doing is I'm using my Sea Breeze to just kind of clean the perimeter of my hair, because I did get a little bit of the Bold Hold on more than where the lace was supposed to go. So easy cleanup, just wiping the perimeter of my hair, and then we are gonna go ahead and continue with the styling. So what I'm doing is I'm just doing what I normally do. If you guys watch my videos, you know we pulling out the baby hair and stuff, and we continue to lay this hair down. So I'm pulling out my baby hair, and then I'm going to lay my hair down. Okay, you guys, so I'm using the Straight Request Flex Spray. This is the spray that I was talking about that Slay by Jordan uses, that I was trying to find and everything. And I'll put the link down below for this as well. You just got to go on their website and purchase it. You know, it's not in beauty supply stores and stuff, but this stuff really, really works. It's a hassle-free little spray, and it works better than the other sprays, you guys. So y'all go. I'm really putting y'all on for real, because he don't even want to tell nobody, and I'm telling y'all. So, you know, go get it, you guys. I'll put the link down below for that. So after I did that, I'm just blow drying my hair, and I have an elastic band on my head. I'll put the link down below for this as well, because I did get a big circle of elastic from Amazon, so I will put that down below as well. So now what I'm about to do is I'm just plucking my part a little bit more, and if you guys can see when I'm done, I feel like I could have did my part a little bit better, like kind of cleaned it up a little bit, but you know, it still looks pretty cute. So now after this, I'm just going over with my hot comb, and then we are going to start doing my edges. Normally I don't really show you guys doing my edges, but you know, I just showed y'all a little bit of what I did, and all I did was use my hair mousse for this. So yes, you guys, that is about it for the install, well, for like the installation process. And you know, I'm gonna go ahead and start straightening my hair and stuff, and then we're gonna get the final product. Okay, you guys, so this is the final look of the hair. I just straightened it, just regular straighten, and it's so cute, you guys. This hair is so straight. Like, it's such good straight hair. Okay, you guys, so here it is behind my ear, and I kind of like this lighting better over here. I don't know, hair is so cute and straight, like I said before, so you guys can see it. Yup. And I'm not really into doing like the straight look down, but I really love the way this hair came out. This is my second day wearing this hair. I actually installed this hair yesterday. I got to see if the hair was shedding and all that type of stuff, and the hair was really good. Minimal shedding, little to none. And another thing that I wanted to talk about was this Bold Hold liquid gold. This just is basically like the Bold Hold wig glue, but in a quick lace, a glueless form. Like, y'all gonna see me using this probably every install, because this bold hold liquid gold, this stuff works really good. And one thing that I really like about it is the ear tabs. My ear tabs have stayed down with this. I don't have to go back and use regular wig glue for anything. This got me the style that I wanted, and this is not coming out. It's not going nowhere. I'll put the link down below for the bold hold liquid gold. I got it off of their site. I feel like that's the only place that you can get it from. It's not on Amazon or anywhere, and it did not take long to come. It was very shipping wasn't too bad for this, probably like a couple days. The shipping for this hair did not take long at all. It's probably like 3 to 4 days. Didn't take long at all. Like, I just feel like I really like this hair, this company in particular, because it's like you really don't have to do much and you're getting quality, because this is some really good hair. All I literally had to do was put it on and make it look cute. That's all you literally have to do. So this company really delivered, and if I was to rate this wig, I would rate this wig a 10 out of 10, because the hair is A1, the lace is A1, everything about this company is A1. So you guys, click that link down below, go on their site and go shop. All the links for this hair will be down below. If you guys like this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to your girl's YouTube channel. Also hit the notification bell down below so you can see when I post, and stay blessed. See you guys later.